In other news, the anti-terror squad of the Uttar Pradesh police has arrested two Chinese nationals from Noida for their alleged involvement in a money laundering case. The duo, including a woman, had allegedly used forged documents to open bank accounts from which money was used in criminal activities. The UP ATS has earlier issued a red corner notice and a blue corner notice against both of them. The Chinese nationals that have been arrested on the 24th of January, and this has happened on the basis of evidence following an investigation into the money laundering case. We'll be getting more updates on the same, as this is a crackdown by the anti-terror squad of the UP police. Going across to Samarth for a quick update. Samarth, anything when it comes to the history, the background of these two Chinese nationals? How long were they in India? How were they operating? Do they have any other accomplices too in the money laundering case that the UP ATS is investigating?
Well, yes, what's the update coming is that two Chinese nationals identified as Zhu Zunfu aka July and Li Tengli aka Alice were arrested by UP ATS from Gautam Budh Nagar yesterday. The Chinese duo were arrested on red corner notice issued by the UP police, and as per the Additional Director General of Police Law and Order, Prashant Kumar, he said that Chinese nationals were arrested for purchasing SIM cards through forged documents and then making fraudulent transactions on those SIM. And he also said that they had traced the duo after the interrogation of 14 persons arrested last week in a similar fraud. ADG also said that police are following the due procedure, and the other counter-intelligences have also been informed about the development and arrest of the Chinese nationals. UP ATS is working further to find out the purpose for which the arrested Chinese nationals used fake IDs for transactions. And as per our sources, rupees 5 crore has been transacted through unfair means by the Chinese duo. ATS also said that Zhu Zunfu visa had expired in July 2020, while Li Tengli's had expired in September 2020. As per a senior ATS officer, the police custody remand of the duo will be taken from court for sustained interrogation. Yes.
All right, Saman, thanks very much for the update. The ATS crackdown on two Chinese nationals who have been nabbed, and this is a case of alleged money laundering that has now been registered against them. We move on to more national news.